dalunggan. Sa ilong nilang dalunggan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your patient have no pulse. Pero kung si patient may pulso, so your patient is no pulse, no breathing. So we will conduct the proper standard CPR, ma'am. So what is the standard CPR? Once again, for adult. Adult. 5 cycle. 30 compression 5. Ang yaka, talong. 4, 5. Dapat wala ka bouncy-bouncy. Wala ka twerk-twerk. Kita na niya. Di ba CPR yan? Patient. Alright. Lock the block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. One cycle na tap.